think they wrapped this pretty tight. Let's see what we get inside here. Just gonna pull it out and take a look. So, comes in this plastic baggie, and I'm about to take it up. So. And now, it's pretty damn nice. It's incredible. Now, I'm going to try it on. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Oh my God. The quality of this shirt is fantastic. Oh my God. I love everything I see. This is fantastic. Man, I am so impressed with every last detail of this shirt. Yeah, this 100% is 10 out of 10. Yeah, I'm totally happy with this. Thanks for watching. This is definitely 10 out of 10. Hopefully you can get a custom piece just for you. Have a great day. I love this.